Hello everyone and welcome back to Codeflix. So it's been a long time since we posted a video, but now we are back and we'll be starting a new video series on Git. So in this video we will see how to download and install Git on our laptops. So I have a Windows laptop, so I'll search Git download Windows. For Mac you can search Git download Mac and you will open the first link which appears, and on clicking the link it will automatically start the download for Git. So as you can see, the download has started, and you can see other relevant options if you want to download, but the automatic download is the best suitable download. I'll click here and open the setup. So a prompt box will appear for Git if you want to make change. So click on yes, and this is the dialog box for Git. Click on next here and choose the path where you want to install. I want to keep it C drive. So I'll would you like to install that folder anyway? So I say yes. Now on clicking here it will create an icon on desktop. Rest of the things keep it as it is. You can check if you want. I don't want, so I won't. I'll click on next. I'll click on next, and you can use Vim as the editor for Git, and there will be some default options to be selected, so keep all the options as default for this, and keep on clicking next here until they ask for install. Now this is a new thing, so if you want to try this you can try, but for now if you want a stable version, keep it as it is and click on install. So that will install Git for you on your PC. So this is the site git-scm.com/download/win/win because we are downloading for Windows. So as you can see it is about to get installed, and you can see it has been installed in our laptops. Now if you want to see the release notes, keep the checkbox checked. Otherwise if you want to launch git bash, click here. Otherwise click on finish. So that's it, we have downloaded the git and installed it successfully. Now to check, I'll right click here and open git bash here. It will be in the context menu. So as you can see the git bash option gets seen. That means we have installed it correctly. Now type git just. As you can see the options like git push, git pull, git fetch, git branch, git commit. So these are the git options which comes along with git, and there are many more. And so by pressing or executing the command git, we can see all these options, which means that our git has been successfully installed in our laptops or PCs. So that's it for today's video. In next video we'll jump into git and dive more detail into this. So hope it helped, and thank you for watching and supporting.